Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. I'm stripping down new. I'm stripping down new.
Like, what do I even do with this? Don't judge me, I haven't looked in here yet. So you ready? Let's go. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. We are doing a kitchen clean and organization part 1, as I obviously cannot tackle my entire kitchen in one video. So today we are tackling the spice cabinet. We're tackling underneath my sink, and I am going to show you my container storage at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Brianne. I like to create content on motherhood, cleaning, and cooking. So if that is something you are interested in, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and turn on your bell so you're notified when I upload new videos, which is twice a week. So without further ado, let's get organizing. So I am starting off in this drawer here. I emptied this out, I don't know, a while ago. This was actually our junk drawer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and actually clean it before tackling these 4 shelves of spices. Does anyone else have this many spices? Let me know in the comments. All right guys, I have all of the spices out, and you know what, this isn't actually all of them. So you see I emptied the cabinet. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little wipe, and then we're gonna put all the spices away, and I'm gonna tackle that maybe a little bit later. But you'll see I have some spices up there, so this will be the next area that I tackle, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm just going to focus on this area and getting it all better, because yeah. So I'm just going ahead and wiping everything down and putting everything back in order. I'm really hoping to free up some shelving. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. Okay, so I did get all the spices out of the cabinet. I'm gonna tackle up here, as again, I do have spices way up there, and I want all my spices down so that I know where to get them. Sorry if you can hear downstairs, my husband is building me something. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle this. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. So I'm quickly gonna just sort these into piles. I'm gonna do expired, and I'm gonna obviously throw those out. I'm gonna do unused, unopened in another pile, and I'm gonna use like my everyday kind of ones that I do separately, and then all the extras will just kind of go in another pile. So let's go ahead and start doing that. I also have tons of empty bottles like this. I like to keep these for the little baggies that I have. If you ever buy spices in baggies, keep your old containers so that they can fit in, because I don't know about you, but I hate bagged spices, but they're a heck of a lot cheaper. So let me know in the comments if you keep your spices in a bag or if you transfer them to a little glass spice jar. I keep on pretending, I know we better end it. You said it more than once, yeah. These are going in the pantry. I don't know why they're with my spices. It's tea. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. These I'm gonna throw out. I have no idea what they are. We mix spices all the time, but yeah, they're not labeled, so I'm hucking them. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know, we're gonna try and find a home for these. If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a nice big thumbs up, and and subscribe for more organization videos, as I have tons coming at you guys really soon.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent.
Alright guys, so here are all the spices that I use like literally all the time. This pile is what I don't use. This is brand new. This needs to be thrown out because it is either expired, doesn't look good, or I like literally haven't used it in years. And then here are my empty containers. So let's get this stuff organized.
Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
Alright guys, so other than salt and pepper, this is what I use daily. So if you're curious, I just have like onion and garlic powder, garlic salt, Italian seasoning, Greek, dill, basil, parsley, chili powder, paprika, cumin, and then taco seasoning in the back there. And then here I just have poultry seasoning, white pepper, nutmeg, ginger, and then ground cloves because it's fall. So these will get rotated out as I don't use them very often when it's not fall, but in a nutshell, those are the spices I use daily, and I'm so excited for them to be in this little drawer here right by the stove. So I emptied this a while ago. This used to be our junk drawer. So really happy to get rid of our junk drawer. That's kind of the goal here, is to get rid of very unnecessary things. So now we got to put all of this away. And so for all of this stuff, you guys, I'm probably just going to put it up in here, up on the top shelf there. And then my plan is to actually have those two shelves for extra space. So I just opened up 2 entire things for space, as wait till you see the rest of my kitchen, which will be in part 2. And then up there, I'm gonna put our serving stuff that we don't use all the time, but I still want out. Alright you guys, so here we have the finished kind of look, and I know it's not like the prettiest, but we're going for functionality here. So as I am doing this, I'm actually writing a list of everything that I need to get. So on my list is a spice tier, so I know you can get like the 3-level tiers, and so that's on my list, so that instead of having them, you know, stacked on top of the other, I will be able to have them stacked and be able to like grab without having to move things. For now, this is fine because again, I don't use these spices like as often. In fact, I wouldn't even say I use them monthly. So probably not the biggest deal unless I'm going to be like baking something or cooking something in particular, like a specialty dinner, stuff like that. But this is gonna be great, and I'm actually really excited to have these extra cabinet, like this space, as I'm just like, look over here you guys, this little sneak peek that's coming. Hot Mess Express over here. Okay, now we're gonna close this and I'm gonna finish putting away the stuff that goes up there, but I want to show you guys this really quickly. Are you ready for this? Please don't judge me, you guys. This has been a year of me living like this and it's driving me mental, and I'm so excited to get this done. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys here. So again, the spices are in here. I know there's a gap here, drives me mental. It's fine. Okay, so everything's fine. I'm fine. We're all good. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Oh. Shut the front door, you guys. I know. Okay, So I keep these, my little classical jars, okay? I keep these for organization. So we're gonna put this stuff to use here, and what we don't need, I'm hucking. My husband calls me a little hoarder because I kind of am, but you guys, like, it's out of control. So again, whatever I don't use, I'm gonna huck as, yeah. And then like these serving dishes and stuff, they've been here literally for a year. Haven't touched them, so clearly I don't need them as much. So they're gonna go up top on the stove there with the other serving dishes now that I have room, as I moved all the spices onto one shelf rather than 4 separate ones. So let's tackle it. So same thing here, I'm just gonna take everything out and then go from there. We're all empty. Now let's go ahead and give this a nice clean.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever.
All right, you guys, it feels so good to get that done. You have no idea. I am so happy. As you can see, we have so much more free space for when I tackle the rest of the kitchen. But for now, I'm gonna tackle the bottom of the sink, as that also just drives me nutso. So let's go ahead and tackle the bottom of the sink. Don't judge me, I haven't looked in here yet. So you ready? Let's go. Like, what do I even do with this? Seriously. It's in pretty rough shape here, so yeah, I got everything out. So seeing as half the stuff doesn't even belong in here, I feel like I have to tackle my whole house. This is really overwhelming to me. So if you are doing your own and you're feeling overwhelmed, I feel you, but we can do this together. So I'm gonna just put, like, there's not a whole lot I can do in here, you guys. It's gross down here, and yeah, so I'm gonna just try and organize it a little bit. I might have to get like some stacking trays so that I can, you know, have a little bit more space in here. The piping and stuff obviously is out of control, as you can see. Maybe put like a shelf up there. But yeah, this is definitely not gonna be pretty. It's, again, just gonna be kind of functional. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting things back in from what I use least to most. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so I really want to quickly just show you guys my containers and my storage and just kind of how I did that. This was a job I did, I don't know, maybe like a month ago. I didn't film it, but I just want to show you like the after. And if you have watched any of my other videos, like you would have saw how bad it was. But I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys. So I got my husband to build me just like this really simple shelf. It's kind of like a mess over here, so just like, yeah, anyway. So I just put all my lids up top and then all the containers on the bottom, and then this lid is here because it fits with that container, and I didn't really know what to do with it, but it's super simple. And you guys, again, I did this like maybe a month ago and it has lasted, so I wanted to share it with you guys. make sure that you stay tuned for more kitchen organization. You're going to tackle every single one of my cupboards, you guys, and as you can see, it's a little bit out of control. So we're gonna get through all of this together in the next couple of weeks, and so I'm really excited to bring you this organization series. If you are excited about it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.